Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my favorite go-to hairstyle. This is quick, easy, and it looks nice. And overall, it gives your face, or my face at least, a lift and even makes everything look a little bit more slimmer. So what you're going to need for this hairstyle is hairspray, a hair tie. Oops, mine has hair on it. A hair tie. I have a really big one because I have very thick hair, but it depends on your thickness of your hair. A teasing comb. This is from the brand Conair, and I think you can get this at Walmart. I got mine at the dollar store, so you can get it almost anywhere. I'm sorry it's like a little dirty. I just use it all the time. And you need a brush. My favorite brush is this one. This is from the brand Wet and Dry by Kala. This is my favorite brush because it's so soft. And also it's very easy on my hair. So for this hairstyle, you don't even need to have clean hair. I haven't washed my hair in a few days and it doesn't even matter. Also, you don't even have to detangle your hair. This is just like quick and go, one and done. Okay, so first thing you're going to need to do is brush your hair back. You don't have to detangle it. All you need to do is slick back your hair. So then you're going to spray it with a little bit of hairspray. I like this one from the brand Aussie Mega Hairspray. This is the one I always use because it has a flexible hold and it's stiff enough to where it's gonna hold your hair, but it doesn't make any little hair, what is that called when, like dandruff, but like hairspray dandruff. Okay, so I sprayed my head a little bit, and now I'm going to get my little elastic or ponytail, whatever you call it, and I'm just going to bring my hair pretty high. I like my ponytails really high, as you can see. Now is when I'm going to take my little comb. You can use your brush or your comb for this. I like to use my comb. And I just start flattening out all the bumps and ridges. Obviously, this would be a lot easier if my hair had any dimensions in it, but it doesn't, so I'm sorry. And just try your best to get all these little bumps from the side to be slicked. This hairstyle usually works best if your hair is dry, but it can work if your hair is wet as well. Okay, so once my ponytail is slicked back as I want it, I'm going to go ahead and tie it. The height of your ponytail and the precision of it, it depends on your preference. I prefer mine to be pretty high up, as you can see. So here's a little trick that I do for my ponytails. When your ponytail isn't as high as you want it, pull it from these top strands and it'll automatically start lifting it up. Okay, so now this is basically the hardest part, getting the ponytail up. Once I am happy with my ponytail, I'm going to lift this part up and spray the rest of my head. I personally don't like these baby hairs to be touching my neck. I don't know why. So that's why I always just spray them down. And I'm sorry if I'm looking over here, it's just the screen is on this side. Okay. So my hair is pretty slicked back. Now I'm going to, here is where it's going to be your choice. If you don't have a pretty hair tie to put on it, I'm gonna be using this one or this one, I don't know yet. I'm gonna be using one of these. But if you don't have a pretty hair tie to put on it, what you can do is go under your hair, under your ponytail, and pull out a strand like this big. And then you just wrap it around. and that automatically makes your ponytail look nicer and a lot more clean because you're going to be hiding the elastic. But because I'm going to be using one of these, I don't need to do that. I'm actually going to, do you see how tangled my hair is? That doesn't even matter. You can just kind of finger comb it. I'm going to spray it with hairspray. Just the whole thing. Oh, hopefully I don't get hairspray on this. And then I'm going to take my teasing comb and I'm just going to tease it. This is a messy pony. I like mine pretty messy. So if you don't, and just like that, if you want a little bit more volume here, what you can do is separate a little section, bring it up. Let me get a little bit lower. Get your teasing comb and tease it back right here. And that's going to give you a little bit more volume on this top part, as you can see, and I love this right now. Okay, now I'm just going to take my pretty little scrunchy hair tie. Let me take off this tab. I've seen these on, see, I got this one at the boutique where I work, but I know you can buy them online too. And I'm just going to take it through my ponytail. If you have different colors in your hair, this hairstyle is gonna look so much cuter on you because you're going to see all the dimensions of it. Okay, how do we feel about this one? I don't know. I feel like this one looks a little funny. Let me try the leopard print. Okay, I like this one. So once you choose your hair tie, and if your hair flattened a little bit like mine did, you can just do the same thing. Get it messy again, just by spraying hairspray and teasing through it. And that is it. Like literally, that is it. If you want your ponytail to be a little bit more nice, I've also done this where I just curl it, and that gives it a more classy look. This look is more messy every day, and this is what I typically go for because I don't want to spend time putting heat on it. But you can dress it up as you want. You can straighten it, tease it, whatever you want to do. And this is so easy, and it just looks really cute. So let me give you like a side profile of the ponytail. And that is it. If you want to, you could even pull out some little hairs, make it a little more messy. But I personally like mine like this. It gives you an instant facelift, which I also love. So yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you like this little mini hair tutorial of my go-to hairstyle. And I will see you guys in my next video.